Confidence. It's something we all want, but let's be honest, it doesn't always come easily or naturally. Maybe you've got used to doubt creeping in, questioning your abilities, or undermining your decisions. Whether it's at work, in social situations, or even in your personal life, a lack of confidence can hold you back in ways that are frustrating and sometimes even painful. You've probably tried telling yourself, I just need to be more positive, or I just need to believe in myself. But as you know, it's not always that simple. Confidence isn't something you can just switch on with willpower alone. It's deeply rooted in our subconscious mind, shaped by past experiences and ingrained patterns of thinking. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck. Hypnotherapy provides a safe, effective way to unlock the confidence that's already there. By accessing the subconscious with a different kind of conversation, we can reframe any limiting beliefs to help you easily, naturally step into your full potential. Imagine walking into a room, whether it's a meeting, a social event, or even just your day-to-day life, with a genuine sense of reassurance, feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin, knowing that you have what it takes to succeed. With hypnotherapy, it isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about releasing that potential to help you become the best version of who you truly are. If you'd like to find out more, or you're ready to unlock the confidence you've always wanted, then just get in touch. Together, we can help you find a new way to feel more comfortable and more confident.